I bought this Pietta Eliminator 8, supposedly new in the box. It had a lot of problems. This problem is that the lower step on the hand is too low, and as you bring it to full cock and the trigger drops into the notch, it's not rotating the cylinder up for the bolt to fall into the notch on the cylinder. I'm going to take steps to correct that by stretching the hand. I'll show you how I did that. Well, the primitive method I used was to put a drill bit over the hand that was resting on an anvil and whack it with a hammer, create a dent in the hand and thereby stretching it. This was kind of a trial and error type situation where you put some dent in it and kind of measure the length, but it didn't matter too much because you had to put it back in a gun and test it. Here it is after I put two small dents in the hand. It stretched it enough that it almost enough to rotate the cylinder up. It lacks about half a bolt width from dropping in when it reaches full cock notch. I made great progress in getting the bolt to drop into the slot about the time that it cocks. But now the top hand is too long, and occasionally you can feel it just barely drag out of the notch. That means that it's not advancing the cylinder before the bolt drops. So I'm going to have to take a couple strokes off the top of that hand so that it will be delayed just a little bit so that the bolt will drop. Well, I think I got it. The bolt drops before the cylinder starts turning, and it locks in just real close to when it falls into the full cock notch. That's what I want to see. I had to take several foul strokes off the top of the hand because after stretching it, it got too long for the initial turning. So I'm going to leave it like this, I think.